Hi there, this is my project Synapse-X, and I'm Kanamjeet Singh, an AI engineer. It's My project is a self-organizing AI engineer organism built just for Too Fast to MCP Hackathon. It's an autonomous multi-agent system that can design, build, deploy, and heal software system using MCP orchestration. So let me show you a demo. Here's a demo mode. Whenever user gives a prompt, for example, build a AI SaaS platform, the system will analyze and into an orchestra. So this will be known as the parent agent right now. This is the parent agent which will going to analyze and research the entire prompt in detail and depth. After that analysis, it will going to create different sort of child agents, which is going to be working on the particular the user request. For example, we take an example of a building of a website, a SaaS website. So the parent will analyze and research, and then it will create three agents such, for example, which will be an DevOps developer agent, which is front end agent, back end agent, and one uh, a data coordinated agent. These things are going to create their own code from the start, and then give that code to the healer. The healer will analyze everything, and if there is an error in the process, it will recognize it and just recorrect it, and then after everything correction, it will just going to send back to the parent. Here is the new load elementary graph where we can see the load and latency. Here is the MCP orchestra. We can see here git MCP, logos MCP, deployment MCP, healing MCP, which is connected, active, running. Here we can see them. So this is observational terminal where we can see the running of MCP or running on any server system, everything in detail over here basically. So this is deployment status, whether deployment is up or not, at which port it is, Coca, and the GitHub functionality. This will be my demo process. The user can just go through this, and if I showcase you my agent tree, this will be an execution tree of my entire demo process, which is available on GitHub.